mane jadolo moro e boma ma Nairobi okuodo wiye kinde mano chwalo ywak mare mchulo ode. Sani koro nyalo bonjo bang' jatend migawo mar lope Alice Wahome miya achiel kuom udi mane gogi ogonyore mane oger kod sirikal e kar dak ma Mukuru. Wichkuot mar Mora koro lokore gweth kama odhi bedo gi ode wuon bang' dweche 2 mabiro. Chenro mar chiwo udi mane ogi ogonyore kar dak ma Mukuru ibiro telne kod jatend piny Kenya William Ruto. Motelne mano, Mora pod biro dhi nyime gi dak e ode machon e kar dak ma mohongore ma Mukuru tok jopiny konye solo pesa mar chulo gowi. Oloso kod jofwambo, Mora nonyiso mor mare bang' sirikal miye ot manyasani.
Hatika time yenye Pastor Ng'ang'a alinirushanisha, time yenye nilikuwa namweleza shida zangu, nikaumika kwa moyo, but nikajipea tu moyo, nikajua Mungu atanitetea kwa kila hali na hiyo shida yenye nilikuwa nimepitia. Alifunga, aliniambia nitoke nje, hakufunga na kufuli, alichomelea mlango. By then hii nyumba haiko na mazingira ile poa, choo zinakuanga chafu, na hata walisemanga eti tunapewa maji hawapeani siku hizi, maji tunanunua nje. Naweza ambia serikali asante kwa kunisaidia na waendelee tu kunisaidia mahali pa kukaa.
Unfortunately, yes, that's where she found herself, as many other Kenyans, and you find that sometimes the living standards are not so good. Of course, small houses, sometimes they are not self-contained. When you look at sanitation issues, environment where you're having your kids there, they are playing, probably there is very poor drainage and just bad conditions. But when she has an opportunity to come to one of our studios at Mukuru, she'll have a house, 20 square meters, double of what she has right now, self-contained. She has a washroom there, she has a kitchen quarter there. Her kids can be able to play in a very safe and secure environment.